there is nothing new about the future. Moving forward goes way back. Improbable inventions and big breakthroughs have launched wave after wave of progress. Advancing robotics has been a big part of our dreams for a better tomorrow, with a pace of innovation to match. For decades, Texas Instruments has pioneered the technologies that enable the next generation of industrial, mobile, and collaborative robots. With stronger arms for greater reach, operating with surgical precision, moving at a breathtaking pace, transforming supply chains with ultra-efficient logistics, safe enough to work with side by side, rugged enough to perform in the most challenging environments autonomously, and equipped to quickly see, measure, and feel the nearly undetectable. TI develops solutions that work together for all the key systems advanced robots rely on. Intelligent sensing, advanced computing, real-time communication, precise motor control. Our focus on the next generation of robotics and the people who will make and operate them assures designers and engineers are ready for the opportunities of the world ahead, making tomorrow as exciting as it's ever been. Texas Instruments, helping you build smarter, safer robotics.